Okay, got this package in. Let's see. Turn package right here. Came in the mail, and let's open it up and see what it is. Alright, just what I expected. My gate control, um, remote for my gate. So first one broke, not broke by design, but more so a dump truck hit it. So I had to order another. Um, all looks really good. The package came here on time. My experience with the order went really well. I ordered on a. It took a little bit of extra time to get here, just because of the weather in Oklahoma right now. But other than that, super happy with my product and look forward to ordering again directly from Ghost Control, just because their website was super easy to navigate. Found the part in a way that nobody else had. Also, by the way, I had to order a new, entirely new gate remote control if I wanted this piece right here. So that's why I chose to order from Ghost Controls, and they were cheap. Shipping was reasonable as well. So thank you very much.